Is your Mercedes Sprinter failing to connect to Apple CarPlay, leaving you without maps or music on the road? Statistically, most connectivity issues are caused by simple cable faults or software sync errors rather than hardware failure. Let us break down the troubleshooting process into manageable steps to get you reconnected. Start by swapping your cable for a certified Apple-approved version and clearing any lint from your phone's charging port. Check your MBUX system settings to see if a firmware update is pending and ensure Siri is enabled on your iPhone. If the connection remains unstable, perform a hard reboot of the MBUX head unit by holding the power button. Most fixes are DIY, but if the USB port itself is physically damaged, you will need a professional dealer inspection. Hardware replacements can be costly, so always exhaust your software and cable troubleshooting options first. Use a second phone to rule out your device and inspect the van's USB port pins for any visible damage. Pro tip: VPNs on your iPhone can sometimes cause handshake failures with CarPlay, so toggle them off while in the van. Remember, patience is your best diagnostic tool when dealing with these complex infotainment systems. If these steps didn't solve your connection issues, visit your local Mercedes service center for a diagnostic scan.